Installing an offshore wind turbine is a complex multi-phase process that requires extensive planning, precise engineering, and continuous monitoring. Teledyne PDS serves as a key tool in this challenging process. It interfaces with a wide range of survey instruments and provides specialized applications for every step of the process. Before installation, a pre-survey is conducted to gather essential information about the seabed, determining the most suitable location. Building on this, the survey phase provides more detailed, localized data, including high-resolution seabed mapping. In these initial phases, the Teledyne PDS multibeam application will collect, process, and deliver the needed survey data. Teledyne PDS provides a full set of specialized monitoring applications for creating the foundation and placing the wind turbine. Scour protection involves placing materials around the base of the wind turbine to prevent erosion caused by water currents. Ongoing monitoring of the scour protection is necessary to ensure their effectiveness. The PDS multibeam app will again collect, process, and deliver data for the regular surveys necessary to detect any signs of erosion or damage. The cable lay monitoring application ensures that the cables are correctly laid on the seabed, avoiding obstacles and minimizing environmental impact. In some cases, cables are buried in trenches on the seabed to provide additional protection. The cable trenching monitoring application helps the operator overseeing the excavation process to ensure that the trenches are dug to the correct depth and that the cables are securely buried. After the cables are laid and buried, Teledyne Marine provides an industry-unique capability for cable detection with Teledyne TSS HydroPack supported by Teledyne PDS. At Teledyne Marine, we provide complete turnkey solutions to monitor dredging and construction projects. Our experts will help you find the right solution for your next project.
Teledyne Marine. Everywhere you look.